Goedendag en welkom at the red and grey cube puzzle. This puzzle is going to be very hard to solve on camera because it's so complicated that each time I solve it I forget how to open it. I want to film this cube a few weeks ago and I tried to remember the opening sequence. I solved this cube like 20 times in a row, but I kept forgetting each move, so I still know how to do it, but it will be a little bit messy. So let's first disassemble this cube and yeah, maybe you'll get a laugh out of this because I get lost. The first move, this is the only thing I can move, and then you can do this. And if you do that, nothing will be able to move. So you don't have to do that, you should do this, and then you can move that part a little bit further out. I'm already getting lost because I'm looking at the camera to get everything in focus, which made solving the cube a little harder. You can now move this, and it will allow you to move that down, and that will enable you to move this part like that. And once you've done that, you can push this square through that part like this up. And now comes the first way to solve this puzzle, because I have to move it up again, I believe. Oh yeah, like this. Now you can rotate this part out of there. And it's very hard to design a cube in which you don't have any rotational moves to make it easier. But I will show you the linear option, if I can remember it. I believe it was something, oh yeah, when this part is up, like this, oh, I'm getting lost. You can move that one down, and it will allow you to slide this one back up there, and then you can remove this part, if I'm correct. Yeah, you can remove that part. Now the cube will hopefully fall apart, but quite possibly not. I think I can remove this part now by sliding this one down, and hopefully, oh no, I can remove one of these parts. Seriously, what can I remove now? I know everything will fall apart, but then I don't know how to get it back together. So let's let it fall apart, and then we'll see how we get it back together. This is going to be tricky on camera. So we've got 3 rings, these and these, who fit together, which makes one side of the cube. And then we got these parts. This one obviously fits together like this. I'm not sure if it's obvious, but I've designed a lot of cubes, and this is a very, very convenient way. And we see this row is missing, and that's this row. So you can put it back together like this. But how you get it back together can be quite tricky. So let's get these 2 parts into these rings, and then we'll see how we do the rest. I think I should start with this side. I feel like that part should be able to come last. Like something like this. But then you have to assemble this one in, so I'm not doing it right. I think I've designed like 80 to 100 of these cubes, which makes it very, very easy to forget one, because they all look like each other, and I have no idea how I get this last part in. I think I'm going to fast forward this. Oh, I think I made my point. Like, this puzzle is hard to solve. I can't solve it myself. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. I'm going to show you how to cheat solving this puzzle, because it's too damn hard. So assemble these two parts and put this ring around them and this part at the top and hold it like this. Then you can move this part through it, and you want to have it like this. So you can rotate this a little bit. So you want this one inside this ring, and you can rotate this part a little bit. And then you take these two parts, and this little bump should be facing the red side. So like that. And then you will have to hold it or like this or something. And then you can rotate this part, put these one in there, and then push that part. No. Push it up, because we have to move it down there like this. And then you can move this part down around this ring, inside there, and then it's just a little wiggling, and you will be able to get this together. And that's how you cheat at solving this cube. I feel very bad about myself for not being able to solve it on camera, but this shows how hard this cube can be to solve. So I hope you enjoyed seeing me fail at opening a puzzle, or closing a puzzle, I guess. And I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.